What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new car part for the M4 GTS. Super excited to show you guys in a little bit. I just got to Daniel's house. We're gonna get this thing installed. We're gonna clean up the steering wheel. Got the steering wheel, gotta make it look brand new because after a time, wear and tear, just the Alcantara gets really nasty, as you guys can see right here. So make sure you do your maintenance on your steering wheels, Alcantara. You guys have Alcantara steering wheel, you guys know it's such a pain in the butt to keep it clean, but when it's clean, it looks so good and it feels good. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. We're almost at 20K subs, guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Let's go. Look who it is, Mr. Daniel M. Life. I haven't seen Daniel in like, I want to say a good 3 months or so. It's been a minute since we've kicked it. He's too big a celebrity for me. Damn, I haven't gone through this little driveway in a long time. Sketchy driveway. Sheesh. Okay, you still got the Integra. Okay. Looking beautiful. Nice. Woo! Feels good to be in here. It's been a minute. Oh my gosh. What's new? There he is. The one who's been MIA.
How's it going?
He doesn't hit me up. He hates me. What up? How you been?
Been good. You know, just been
Chilling?
yeah, I've been busy with a few other things, you know, like aside from the car scene, and you know, just I was under the weather.
I know, you were sick. Yeah. For like 2 weeks, no?
It was almost 3 weeks. 3 weeks, and you know, like honestly, I had a lot of stuff backed up, so I had to do a lot of catching up, and then I left town.
Oh,
so
okay.
I went to town.
Damn.
And then my mom's birthday came last weekend.
I remember,
too,
yeah.
So it's just been like nonstop. You know?
And I see that, I seen that your new car's almost here.
I know.
Well, actually, it is here, actually, no?
No, it's almost.
It's at the,
It's at the port.
Yeah.
But it could be at the port from Germany.
Oh, okay.
There's another three sections it needs to go through. It needs to go through transit.
Okay.
And then it needs to go arrive at dealership, and then it's finished.
Okay.
So
are you picking it up here? Or you're gonna go to?
No, I'm gonna pick it up here because I want to do the PPF on the car.
Okay. Oh yeah, you don't want to drive it and then get.
No.
Yeah.
I thought about doing.
You guys are gonna be excited. He got a new car, and I can't say what it is or the color or the specs, but it's gonna be so sick, and it's done already. The car's done, so. You guys are gonna have to wait because this car is gonna be sick as hell when it's done.
There's a goodie. I'll show you something though. I already picked something up.
You picked what up?
This is actually.
Woo! You got the wing. Yeah. Sick.
So that kind of gives it away.
Look at this. It could be a wing for.
An M3.
Yeah, it could be M4.
It could be for someone else.
Yeah, this is sick. The only one you're gonna be the only one in the States, right?
Yeah.
Wow, holy shit.
And in the platform.
It's a one of one, so that's all I'm gonna tell you guys. It's one of one, and you guys are gonna have to find out in, I'm assuming, a few weeks or a month. Go and check it out because it's gonna be one hell of a car, that's for sure. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, this is the mod for today, the new paddle shifter. So these paddle shifters are off the new platform of the G80 M3 and the G82 M4s and the G83 M4. So they got carbon fiber, they got the little plus in red and the minus in red. That's the back of them. If you guys want to make your car look like the new G platform, get these paddles first. So we're gonna be switching them out for, as you guys know, I have these acid orange ones. I really like these a lot, but I want to switch it up a little bit and feel like I'm driving a new car, so these are pretty sick. I'm not sure where these are from. Actually, Ayers got me these for my birthday. If you guys want to know, you guys got to hit up Ayers, see where he got these. With these new paddles, I'm going to feel like I'm driving the new car, the new G.
Yeah, you're going to be part of the G.
That's funny. These are pretty nice. I like them. I like the acid orange ones too, but this is a cool little switch up for now. New mods will be coming soon. I'm thinking about getting this blacked out. Probably the 50th anniversary emblems would be really nice. And then for the interior, the new M4 logo up here would be really nice. It was dirty, huh, Daniel?
Yes, you know, that's an understatement.
Daniel's like, you have gloves. I clean it. Look at that. Look, the gloves are right here. Oh my.
Oh, they're nice and clean. Look, look. Hey, at least the gloves are clean.
Damn.
Forget the $1,000 steering wheel. Let's keep those $20 gloves clean.
Bro, yeah, they're right here. All right, I'm gonna start wearing them now.
No.
Daniel's like, that's what you said last time.
I gave up already.
Oh shit.
Actually, you know, this is not bad.
You thought it'd be worse?
No, given the time frame,
Yeah.
you know, it's good to do like an update maintenance. We
What do
don't
you
want,
think? Like every few months?
yeah. All right, guys. So as you guys just saw, Noe pulled up. He's right there in the background. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start applying the Sonex. Like I said, I just wanted to get this area covered up. I didn't want none of the extra Sonex to kind of drip down on the steering wheel, you know, and make it a little uncomfortable, as I really want to focus my energy on cleaning the steering wheel, not cleaning everything else. So again, give it a nice shake and then just pour it on there very freely. Just make sure that it grabs onto the steering wheel. You know, just it's gonna foam up and then it's gonna turn to like some sort of liquid.
It smells good.
Oh, it smells
It smells like
really
a
good.
lemon flavor.
Yeah, it's actually, and it also helps with the interior smell.
Helps with your allergies.
Yeah, that too. No more allergies.
Is that shaving cream?
Yeah. Guys, if you guys need shaving cream, Sonex does provide a good aftershave smell.
That's funny. Yeah, so it's like shaving cream.
Yeah, right? It's Old Spice.
Bro, I don't think the Sonex has ever smelled like this. It smells really strong, like a lemony flavor.
Well, the thing is that what I realized, just kind of like working with Sonex and various steering wheels, the more you put, the better. And the more you let it soak into the Alcantara, the better it is, because it really helps loosen up the dirt that's trapped in the fibers.
All right, Daniel. So after you applied the Sonex, and then you got like a microfiber towel. Well, actually, I think that's even softer than a microfiber.
It's a little bit softer than the microfiber, and that's basically to soak up all the Sonex from the steering wheel. Now, when you do the drying process, just kind of move it around. Don't keep it all in one spot, because at first you're gonna be soaking up most of the liquid onto this, so you don't want to kind of keep running the same dirty surface over the same spot. You know, you're just gonna go ahead and keep the dirt
switch
on
it
there.
around, and
Yeah.
no, the steering wheel looks really good.
And down, and you can see even right there, you can see the fibers more moving, lifting, going in directions. So depending on the severity of like how bad your steering wheel is, you might have to do the Sonex process a few times. What you need to do first is you need to set up your YouTube. Make sure you guys are setting up either LIFEWITHKG, Finding Egg, or my channel, and then you get to your install. That way you guys have something to relax you, just something soothing, So again, since I've done this many times, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it hang right here for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and push the plastic pin, and then I'm very carefully gonna remove the little cover to ensure I don't lose any components. There's a little spring and a little retainer in there, so you just want to make sure that you keep those in place. I'm gonna loosen up the right paddle, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on the left one. So since it's already loosened up, make sure you don't lose your screws. Set it in a spot where you're gonna.
Yeah, I think these G80 paddles will be nice, because I wanna feel like I'm driving a new car.
There we go.
All right, guys. So the old paddles are out. I still like these a lot. I feel like they complement the car really well. Everything kind of matches the cage, the wheels. These new paddles look way cooler, I think. These are from the new G80 platform. So kind of goes with the carbon here. Looks really nice. What do you guys think? I'll probably switch back, honestly, in a few months, but I want to test these out and see how these feel. Uh-oh. Big Chief is here. Mr. Aries with his beautiful X6M. Very nice. Sheesh. I think he recently got the red calipers done.
That looks so good.
What's up, bro?
Chillin', G, what's up?
Chilling. How are you?
Good.
How was Vegas?
Amazing.
Nice. On Cup 2s? Sheesh. GTS boys. That looks good. Oh, he recently got the plate done too. He did black and white. Very nice. You like him?
I love them.
Looks sick, huh?
Yeah, it's your birthday gift.
Yes, sir. Courtesy of Aries. Bro, I love these pedals so much.
Of course.
It looks so good. Feels like I'm driving the new car, the new GAX platform.
Me too. So in 2 weeks, I'm gonna feel like I'm driving a new car.
Nice. You ready for your M4?
Wait for my M4, guys. It's gonna look sick as fuck.
I bet. Nah, what you're doing to your car is top of the line.
Be one of a kind, guys. Stay tuned.
That's a real one of one right there. Alrighty, guys. We're about to leave Daniel's. We're gonna go get some lunch. Steering wheel looks beautiful. The paddles look really, really good. Love the way they click. As you can see, I'm wearing the gloves that Daniel gave me. So shout out to Daniel. Also, guys, go subscribe to Daniel's channel. Get him to 1,000 subscribers. He's almost there. He's at 800 subs. So make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. Link will be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Daniel and get him to 1,000 subs. Let's go. The paddles feel so good. There's no like weird clicks. Everything is just like intact. I love them. Sick. If you guys are looking to get the new paddles from the GAX platform, I highly recommend them. They feel really good. They're not like crazy, like long like the other ones. They look simple, sporty. I feel like I'm driving the new GAX. We've got the homie Airs with his X6M, making me want an SUV. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.